The food is delicious, darling. The food is delicious, darling. The food is delicious, darling.
So, hello guys! Magandang umaga sa inyo. Bali, magluluto ako ng pork belly bukas kasi birthday ni Riona, no? So, papakita ko lang, para bukas yun, pero papakita ko na sa inyo kung paano ko lutuin. Hello, babe! Thank you for my coffee.
You know something interesting? You cannot buy in that shop 7-Up or Sprite with sugar in it.
Ay! You mean it's all zero sugar?
Yeah.
That's good then.
Yeah, but strange, isn't it?
Yeah, no, that's these days now. They don't have now. Oh, mamarinate ko dito yung ulam namin mamaya, kaya inutusan ko si Adrian. Bumili na rin siya ng coffee. Ayan. Bigyan natin ng ano. Feeling ko bunsol na bunsol ako pagka sa dairy. Dito natin lagay yung kalat natin. Ayan. So, ayun, feeling ko bunsol na bunsol ako kapag ka. Tapos, pag naman hindi decaf, mahirap matulog. So, ayun nga, no, may nagtatanong kasi ng kung paano ko daw ba ginawa yung crispy pork belly ko. So, makikita ko. Pakukuluan ko siya sa instant pot. Tapos, pagka lumamig na, pag malamig na, tsaka ako bubutasin yung skin niya ng pork belly. Tsaka lalagyan ko ng suka, yung skin, at asin. Tapos, yun nga, dahil malamig na, pwede ko nalagay sa ref. Pwede mo na yung lutuin, diretso, kaya lang mas malutong siya pagka overnight siya yung malamig sa ref. Malutong talaga. Crunchy. Crunchy. So, yun, papakita ko. Bali, yung pork belly na yun, gusto ni Riona sa birthday niya. Tapos, magluluto ako, request niya, baked macaroni. Baked cheesy macaroni. Yun naman ang request din niya. At magpapalo tuloy ako mga regalo niya, guys. Palutin natin yung mga regalo namin ni Adrian sa kanya. Kakatuwa. Parang kailan lang, ang bilis lumaki ng mga bata. Nakaka-miss nung baby pa siya. Nakaka-miss. Tapos malaki na. Tapos bukas 15 anyos na siya. Bibigay ko natin to kay Papa. Bibigay mo natin ko kay Daddy Adrian. Bigay mo na natin to kay Daddy Adrian. So, ito yung nabili namin kahapon sa butcher, guys. Kalimutan ko na. Kalimutan ko na kung ilang kilo to. Hugasan ko muna. Tapos, ito, papakita ko sa inyo yung ulam namin. Tapos, ito naman yung ulam namin mamaya. Ito yung mamarinate ko sa dito sa 7-Up. 7-Up. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Yung pala, shortcut. Beef ribs. Yan. So, yan, sabi ni Adrian, may kausap siya sa work birthday ng daughter ko bukas. Kaya hindi ako papasok. Day off ako bukas. So, ito, ibababad ko dito. Mamaya, imamarinate ko. Pero huhugasan ko muna to at papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko kung ano ilalagay ko dito bago ko ilagay sa instant pot. Hindi pa kami nakakapasyal sa malaking Filipino shop. Yung tindahan ng maraming Asian food. May mga Filipino na mga pagkain doon. Eh, wala akong gelatin. Nagre-request si Riona ng coffee jelly. I hope it works. So, thank you for my coffee. I want it hot. I-reheat ko muna yung coffee. Yan. Naglinis pa kasi ako ng nagbili yung pork kanina. Hinugasan ko tsaka kinaskas ko ng asin. Tawag dito, babe. The pork, I did not realize it has bones. It has ribs also.
Oh, really?
Big. I wonder how many kilo all of it. I put it in there now. It's in instant pot now. So it will dry. Yeah, it's like really
I was
proper.
really looking forward to another croissant.
Hinahanap niya yung croissant na binili niya kahapon. Eh, kinain din namin pareho. Iinit ko muna to sa ano.
Because it's lunchtime now.
Lunchtime. What do you want, love?
Bagel with Gruyere, tomatoes and ham.
It's there.
And I want to try this cheese. She said she really liked it.
Really?
Yeah. Oh yeah, look, you can tell she's been in it. The packet's still open.
Gagamitin ko yan sa baked macaroni. I will just...
She's done. Looks like she's been biting it though.
Si Riona nahihilig sa cheese. Nahahawa na kay Adrian yung bata na yung pagkakain ng cheese. Eh, pag kumain ako ng cheese, kumukulo yung tiyan ko. Katulad kahapon, nag-croissant kami, yung tinapay. Ay, maingay yung, yung microwave.
Finish all the ham.
Eh, may ibang cheese na binili si Adrian. So, ang sarap no. Ang sarap nitong cheese na to. Ito yung pangalan niya, hindi ko matatas. Le Gruyere. How to say it?
Gruyere.
From Switzerland. No, we ate it yesterday. The only two of us ate it yesterday. So, and then, eto, you will not have this one.
Yeah.
Eh, naku, ang daming cheese. You're so cheesy, babe. It's like yung, I will use that for her birthday, for the, no, both of you is already
That's
finished
not
it. Not enough.
You've got more cheese in there as well.
So, yesterday, ito nga yung ginamit ko sa, sa croissant. It's very nice, pero later on, I get a tummy upset.
The way she's opened it, look. You can't close it now.
Oh, I forgot to give her like this. I forgot to give her this one. So, gawa natin si Adrian ng lunch, guys. Nag-breakfast na siya. Wheatos ang kinain niya. Cereal. Tsaka toast. Si Riona naman yun, may natira siyang ginawa ko siya ng fried rice with bacon. Ayaw nga niyang kainin umaga. Sabi niya, gusto ko cereal. Ginawa ko siya ng fried rice na may bacon. Yung hinalo ko yung bacon. Hiniwa-hiwa ko. Hinalo ko sa fried rice. Tapos pinag-fried ko siya ng Sabi ko, puro cereal naman ang kinakain mo Ang lamig-lamig. Sabi ko, mag-fried rice ka naman. Hindi naman daw siya giniginaw. Kaliligo lang niya. Araw-araw naliligo. Basang-basa yung buhok. Kaya bago siya pumasok, inaayos, tinutulungan ko pa siyang ayusin yung buhok niya. Ang sarap. Ganyan yan si Adrian, minsan tatanungin niya, kinain man ni Riona yung ham ko o yung cheese ko? Pag naman si Riona din, pag hindi niya makita sarap, kinain ba ni Daddy yung cheese ko na nilagay ko dito? Pag namili kami, may kanya-kanya na silang pangalan ng cheese nila at ham. Kasi binibili siya ni Adrian ng gusto niyang ham. Antay ng cheese. Marami kasing klase ng cheese dito, guys. So guys, gawa tayo ng gelatin, Ewan ko kung mape-perfect ko to. Ngayon lang ako gagawa dito na ito yung gamit ko na gelatin, Hindi ko alam kung ano. Request ni Rio na nga to yung coffee jelly. So, decaf coffee naman to. Kaya okay lang. Ayan. Tunawin natin tong instant na tong coffee. Decaf naman to kaya okay lang. So, hintayin muna natin itong lumamig-lamig at matunaw itong kape. Yan. So, dapat pala magluluto ako ng spare ribs. Yung beef. Diba dapat imamarinate ko? Chinek ko yung ulam namin na, yung ibang ulam namin sa ref. May-expired na pala bukas yung chicken. Kailangan ko na lutuin ngayon. So, change plan tayo guys. Chicken ang aming ulam ngayon. Chicken ang aking lulutuin. Kasi yun namang beef hanggang ano pa naman yun eh. Kasi yung beef matagal pa naman siya ma-expired. Yung chicken hanggang bukas na lang. So lutuin na natin yung chicken. Bukas ko na lang ma-marinate yung beef para the next day, yun ang ulam namin sa mga susunod na araw. So, alisin natin guys yung pork. Ang init-init pa. Ayan. Wala akong makitang, ayan, ang bigat. So, kakasya to sa air fryer. Tamang-tama. Kanina iniisip ko nung muntik na hindi magkasya dito sa Instant Pot. So, palalamigin natin to ngayon guys. Pag malamig na siya, tsaka ko siya ikinya, bubutas-butasin ko yung skin niya. Tsaka lagyan natin ng suka. At tawag dito, lagyan natin ng suka at asin. So, tingnan natin kung talagang lutong-luto na, no? Kasi makapal eh. Yan. Luto na. So, hintayin natin siya lumamig. At yung sabaw naman na yan, sayang yung sabaw. Pwedeng gumawa ng soup, no? Try natin gumawa ng soup sa sabaw na yan. Sayang naman. Parang ulam namin ngayon ay may soup. Kasi ito nung nilinis ko, talagang kinaskas ko pa ng kinaskas ng kasing. So, ayan. So, guys, gagawin ko muna yung chicken. So, gagawa ako ng dalawang parang barbecue ba. Yung isa gagawin ko yakitori chicken. Pero wala naman akong grill dito, so piprito ko lang siya. Yung isa naman, Cajun. Pero i-air fryer ko naman para magkaiba naman yung flavor, di ba? Para kung ano magustuhan ng dalawa. So, gagawa na ako ng chicken yakitori, guys. Hinugasan ko muna, tsaka ko siya hiniwa-hiwa. So, ganito ang gawin natin. Namimiss ko to eh. Papakita ko sa inyo ingredients nito, guys. Sarap nito inihaw eh. Tsaka masarap dito chicken thigh. Kaso ito ang available namin, ang chicken breast. Naghanap kami nga nung pata. Kakatawa nga kasi kahapon yung nagpunta kami doon, sabi nung nagtitinda yung matanda, sabi niya, ano ka ba, Thai? Kasi sa next week pupunta ako ng Thailand. Ayun, ganun. Tontuwa siya. Sabi ni Adrian, hindi, Pilipina yan. Oh, yun, re-reserve pa nila. Hindi agad-agad makakabili ka. So, tatawagan pa si Adrian kung kailan. Babe, when is gonna be the pork knuckle? The pork legs or knuckle?
He didn't really say.
He will just call you.
Yeah, so maybe next week.
Oo, hindi pa basta-basta. So, tatawag pa din. Tapos, after nung nanggaling kami butcher, nagpunta kami sa may fishmonger. Is it fishmonger, babe?
The other one was a fishmonger. Yeah, is this the whole thing?
Yeah. Yes.
That should be enough for the three of us, though, shouldn't it?
Of course, that's big, babe. And then, we went to fishmonger. Yung nagtitinda naman ng mga seafoods. Naghanap kami kung may crab sila, alimango. Wala. Tapos, sabi, pwede kung tatawag daw sila dun sa isa pa kung mayroon sila, i-reserve pa din. Hiningi yung number ni Adrian, tapos tatawag sila kung mayroon na. So, excited ako dun guys sa alimango.
We can do one of those videos, you know, where people are like, oh guys, look. Yeah, that looks really nice. Not too fatty.
Yeah, not too fatty. You're right, not too fatty.
Perfect.
Yeah, perfect.
And then it's got a few ribs at the bottom, yeah? That's cool.
Yeah, that's
to add to the flavour, right?
Yeah, of course. That's why I don't want to throw the soup, because the soup is very nice. But now I will put that in the fridge. Where are you? Yeah, and I will put that in a fridge. I will pierce it, the skin, only the skin.
Yeah, pierce the skin.
Yeah,
Poking it won't achieve much unless you pierce it. that's poking it.
yeah, piercing.
Scoring it like the butcher asked you.
Okay, I will make the food soon.
Yeah, you're gonna make me tea first, aren't you?
I'm very busy, love. Can you make it by yourself? And then I'm still having this jelly. Look at this coffee jelly.
I thought that was soy sauce.
That is coffee jelly.
Wow.
Nice, diba? No, you have to try it later.
So it's too late to make a leche flan ube, isn't it? We'll save that for my birthday, shall we? the dish that I've always asked you to make and you never make.
It's not your birthday tomorrow, love.
I bet you she doesn't like it.
But she requested that.
Yeah, I know, but she's probably seen it on TikTok.
No, that always make it, for her, and she remembered that.
Not with the granules, surely.
Of course, with the granules,
Should have made it with Ueshima.
Huh?
Should have made it with Ueshima.
No, it's not decaf. It's bad for her.
Oh.
Because, you know, I made it.
Caffeinated, freeze-dried, instant.
They always make it instant, babe, so don't worry about that. So guys, my critics is always my critics is my husband about the food that I'm making.
Well, I'm glad you're having fun over here.
What? You're having fun?
I've got to go back to work.
Okay, I will finish this so I can cook soon. Boo. So, try natin guys. Siyempre, masarap to pag malamig. Kaya, mamaya ako na patitikimin si Adrian at si Riona pag malamig na. Lagay natin sa ref. Pero ako naman yung taga-tikim first. Yan, tikman muna natin. Pagkatapos nito, magluluto na ako ng aming dinner. Lasang-lasa yung coffee. Ang sarap. Ang sarap naman. Ang sarap. So, magluluto na ako, guys. Lagay ko na to sa ref. Pati yung isang pork ko doon. Nalagay na din sa ref. Malamig na to maya-maya. Para pagkatapos namin mag-dinner, yung dalawa, meron silang dessert.
There is something to be said about how you fill the room up. You walk on by and sting my heart with doubt. Did you notice how I fell hard every time I try to call you up? The line is always busy, and when I see you on the street, I know I never wanna be alone all the time. I wish for more, a way to sweep you off the floor.
Guys, ito ang natuto na ang chicken teriyaki. Ang sarap niya. Yum, yum, yum. Our house smell like a Japanese restaurant because of the rice wine. And then, this is another one.
Oh, nice.
Yan. Gumawa ako niyan dalawa. Yan. So, we will eat now, guys. At si Adrian ay gutom na, ang aming big baby. At gumawa din ako ng soup. Yan. Mag-aahin muna ako at gutom na tong aking mga alaga. Kakain na kami. Ito ang soup na ginawa ko. Yan, ang bango. Tsaka ito yung chicken kebab. Tapos, ito naman ang chicken yakitori. Ang bango-bango. So, kakain na kami. Ayan naman ang sangbandihadong kanin. Mapapalaban na naman kami sa kanin nito, guys. So, tatawagin ko ulit yung dalawa, no? You know, I made a... Kain tayo, guys. Nakalimutan ko, I'm so busy kasi. I did so many stuff.
What is that?
Pati yung pork belly, ginawa ko din. Oh, natin. Oh, sige, babe. More. Thank you. Tapos, soup yan na
Serve your rice as well.
Yes, sure. What is that?
A soup.
What soup?
Tikman. Okay, let's eat. Ito naman ang yakitori, babe. Let's try this one.
Oh, nice soup. What did you use?
That is nice, babe. It's just vegetable soup. It's nice.
No, the pork.
The broth came from the pork belly.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Where's the pork belly?
Ayun, pinatutuyo ko na kasi para bukan sa birthday mo tomorrow. Okay, crispy. Nice, diba?
That's nice.
I put it doesn't actually taste the bay leaves. It has bay leaves in it.
I did wonder why it was the most delicious vegetable soup I'd ever tasted.
The most delicious soup. It's nice. If it has acorn, a lot nicer.
That should out of the fridge, that one.
That's yours. Oh.
I put it in the fridge.
Oh, and I took it out. But I'm telling you, that's the
for
one
you.
that was in the fridge. The food is delicious, darling. It is, I told you, it's nice.
Have you tried the coffee jelly?
You should try it, and Daddy.
Tonight.
After you eat.
Thank you, darling.
Even if you
Wow.
don't like it, it's alright.
So you don't
Nice, Ma.
you don't put anything
Nice.
with it?
Really?
No?
It said like double cream and then the jelly.
No, I mean you don't put anything on it.
If you do not finish that, I will eat that, babe. If you do not finish that. It's funny that it's hot now. Nabubuksan ko na ng matagal yung bintana because it's hot now, guys. It's alright?
It's nice.
Say it's amazing and fantastic.
It is delicious. I think a nicer quality coffee. would
Yeah,
improve
true.
it.
Okay, now
You can have more there na ka doon. I'm waiting for that to finish. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Ang dami kong linisin. I have so many stuff to clean. I have so many. Daddy will help me to clean, babe.
Brianna said she would.
Oh no, I have to do some homework today.
Homework.
I actually do have homework.
You did. You do really like it, babe, huh? It's nice.
It's nice, babe. Really is nice. It would be nice when it's really, really cold.
It's not cold enough. Hindi pa kasi masyadong malamig. Pero masarap. It's not too sweet, di ba?
Yeah.
It's not too sweet. Hindi masyadong matamis. The double cream is nice. Yummy. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Let's have some.